This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Cape Town is a coastal city in South Africa. With a population of 433,688, it is one of the most populated places in the country. This paper reviews the literature on the history of the drought, its causes, and its effect on tourism. History of the drought. The Western Cape Water Supply System supplies water to the city through 6 dams. About 63% of the water is used for domestic and industrial use, and the rest for agriculture and other uses. Since the past few years, the Western Cape region has seen drought-like situations, with scant rainfall for the past 3 years, and water levels at critically low levels. The population has increased in the city by 69% in the past decade, and people continue to draw more water through illegal tapping of water mains. Water levels in the dams are almost exhausted. Experts link this rainfall shortage to global warming and climate change. Effect on luxury hospitality and tourism. Tourism is a $3.4 billion business for Cape Town, about 9.3% of the GDP of South Africa, and it supports 300,000 jobs. Cancellations of bookings increased, and the overall visitors will see a drop of 12.6%. The tourism season begins in April, and tour operators report a lack of queries to the city. Water shortage is expected to discourage visitors who will be forced to ration water for drinking, showers, and flushing toilets. Tourists will also face rationing of water. With such an acute shortage, tourists are scared about the quality of service and if the visit would meet their expectations. Hence, a severe fall in tourism-related activity is expected. There would be widespread distress since jobs would be lost, businesses and the economy would be shattered, leading to increased crimes and a breakdown of law and order. Media coverage. Several online media have reported adversely about the water shortage and drought situation and the impending zero day when the water supply would be cut. The reports paint a grim image of citizens queuing up for water at checkpoints, armed guards standing to quell riots, and citizens ready to fight viciously for a drop of water. Such reports increase the fearmongering and further dissuade tourists from even considering Cape Town in the plan. Such negative messages and portrayal of a calamity is not ethical, even if it's true. Reasons for covering the topic. Drought and cities running out of water are scenarios that many cities would face in the future. Many megacities such as New York, London, New Delhi, and others are facing these water shortage problems. An understanding of water conservation, regulation, and sustainable methods that Cape Town employs would help in solving this problem for other cities. Water-saving measures. Cape Town has adopted some drastic measures to manage the water problem. These include very strict water rationing, control over water use in hotels, reducing water for agriculture, water leak detection, strict water metering, and pressure management in water pipelines. Other methods are wastewater recycling and water demand management. There is criticism that these measures are introduced very late. Conclusions. The analysis and review show that global warming and climate change, mismanagement of water, and inability to control water use have led to a drought-like situation in Cape Town. The tourism industry and agricultural sector will suffer from this drought. Other cities can learn from these problems and implement water use measures. Did you like this The History of Drought in Cape Town sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the free database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs without even having to register.